Guys, and welcome back to the vlog. It's been a hot minute since I've vlogged. Like, I actually have no idea when the last time I picked up a camera was. Last time I filmed, I wasn't feeling good, and I just thought it was the best thing for me to take a bit of a break and a step back from social media. And I'm off work for the next 2 weeks. There's just a lot going on, so Patty and I have decided that we're going to have a night away together. It's our first night away in nearly a year, and I'm so excited for it. So I'm just packing at the moment, getting ready to go. We're staying and visiting Patty's family and doing a couple of bits with his family for the week. We have like loads of things on this week. We went swimming with Noah, which went okay, but in the beginning he was really upset. We brought him to the Castleknock Hotel because the pool is really warm, and we thought that he'd be fine, but he cried a little bit and then he got used to it. We'll bring him again. And then we're going into town with him, I think on Thursday. We're going to get him his hair cut, and then we're going to go into Arnott's and look at the basement bargains and look at like some homeware stuff. We bought our oven this week. We've done a lot of stuff. I'm going to finish packing and I'll bring you along for the trip. I'm so excited. Our first trip away in a year. How do you feel about it?
It's a day away.
It's a day away. So I'm all packed. I just put on a little bit of BB cream and a little bit of cream blush and cream bronzer, and then just filled in my eyebrows. Yeah, it looks like I'm wearing a lot of makeup. It actually took like 2 seconds. So we're going to head now. The dogs are constantly barking. I have no idea what it is. They were barking at the postman 2 seconds ago. Now I don't know what they're barking at. Going to wait for Noah to wake up from his nap and then give him some lunch, and then we'll head off. I'm gonna miss him so much, and I'll be like rushing back here in the morning to get to him. We're here at Killinard, the Heritage. Sorry, that's making a lot of noise. Maybe it's best if I vlog when I'm inside. We've got a really nice day as well. We're going over to the spa for massages. I'm very excited for this. So long since I've been away. It's just nice to spend time, the two of us. It's very fancy.
Lovely hotel.
Smells nice. This lift is even cool.
It's gorgeous.
Very nice hotel. You did good. Where is it? What's the room number? Don't be so mean. A nice reading area. Wow, it's fab, isn't it?
What were we watching this week where the hotel was full of vampires and
Oh, hotel.
Lady Gaga.
American Horror Story. Oh, great. We're never leaving. I've no clue what number the room is. I think it's 311 for some reason.
Maybe it is, maybe it isn't.
Well, am I right in saying that?
I can't say that.
Look at that for a view. How beautiful. Also, Paddy has managed to get us lost. He doesn't know where we're going because he won't tell me the room number, so he's gotten us lost. I found the room. You're so silly. If you just told me. No, you did not. You just didn't know where we were going.
Will you make it? Will you make it? Will you make it? Oh, Mr. Paul.
Ooh, what a lovely room. Bathroom. Oh wow, the bathroom's huge. Oh, this room's gorgeous. And we have a nice view as well. How gorgeous. A little coffee machine. Some glasses, which I've never drink out of because my friend used to work in a hotel and was like, never drink out of the glasses. There's our robes that we have to wear down to the spa. An ironing board, hairdryer, great because I never brought my hairdryer. And then what's the bathroom like? This is what the bathroom looks like. Big sink area, big shower, very nice. You could fit 2 people in there if you wanted. Toilet and a bath, like an actual bath. Like most bathrooms in hotels have a bath with the shower over the top. So this is nice. Really, really, really nice. Love a big mirror, I do. They made the tissues like a little lotus, that's cute. On the little treats, some cookies, coffee pods, tea obviously, and some sugar. And then it just tells you how to use this Nespresso. We're ready to go for massage. What's wrong with you?
No, go on.
What's the matter with you?
It's bad hay fever.
It's really bad hay fever. We're going to have our massages, so the next time we see you, we will be very relaxed, won't we? I should actually turn it that way instead. We'll be really relaxed. I hate when I vlog standing beside you because I'm 5 foot like nothing, and you are 6'2".
Yeah, there we go.
Okay, so I look really tired. We are very tired. We really are very much looking forward to our night away though, aren't we?
Yeah, well, more of a sleep away.
A sleep away. You look really short.
So I'm after so it can fit into this vlog. Falling over here.
Oh my god, let's go. We're going. I'll see you later when we're back from our massages and we'll feel so relaxed. I should really take off this BB cream. I'll be alright, I'm sure there's like places to do that down there. Anyway, let's go. So we're just back from the spa and it was so relaxing. I'm just out of the shower now. After the spa we went to the like vanity pool and they had like a lounge area like with like heated seats and you could like go to a foot spa. There was like a sauna, steam room, like all these different temperature showers. It was fantastic. So we're going for dinner at 7:30. I'm gonna have a bath because I'm dying to have a bath, and then we're gonna watch some Love Island. All ready for dinner. I'm just wearing this little floral dress and I just finished doing my makeup. Yeah, so I did BB cream, my bronze, blush, and I just used my, oh, I've put everything away, god damn it. I used my Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow palette just to do my eyes, like a little smoky eye. I am using the Charlotte Tilbury, the classic eye pencil, just to do a little wing and line my eyes. With Truffle from NYX and MAC's Blankety. And then my foundation or BB cream thing is from Maybelline and it's the Dream Urban Cover. And just did a little bit of cream contouring or cream bronzing with the macchiato from Fenty. So I think that's basically it. My brows are the same Charlotte Tilbury as they always are. Yeah, so we're gonna go for dinner now. I'm really excited. We're starving, aren't we?
Nope.
Cannot wait. You were just complaining that you were starving 2 minutes ago. He was like, are you nearly ready? I'm starving. So now I am ready. Well, dinner's not booked till 7:30 and it's just gone half now. So let's go eat. Oh, that's just what my dress looks like. A full kind of full body shot of it. I really like this. I got this in Zara maybe 4 years ago. No, 3 years ago I think. And I still wear it. Like it's just lovely and it's really light and it's like, I don't know, dinner appropriate I guess. You moving everything over? More space? It's really nice. We're in the booth. The booths are really nice. So dinner just arrived. I ordered a steak and it's the size of...
Thank you so much.
Thank you. It is humongous. Oh, and the sides have arrived. Like, but yeah, the steak is huge.
60 mils.
Yours looks really nice, the chicken. I'll help you eat yours if you help me eat mine. Sticky toffee pudding with butterscotch sauce. Taste it and tell me what it's like.
You don't need that spoon because I was going to eat all of it.
What if you don't like it?
Oh, I doubt it. That.
Is it nice?
Strawberry.
Orange.
Oh yeah.
What you're getting for breakfast?
No, when I asked for crispy bacon.
I don't know.
Just...
Morning everyone, my crazy hair. We are just after getting breakfast. I literally had to jump out of the bed. I was like, oh my god, we're late for breakfast. I wouldn't have been gone on breakfast. I think I ordered like the wrong thing. I ordered like eggs benedict. I love eggs benedict. It's one of my favorite breakfasts, but it came with bacon instead of parma ham. There's way too much hollandaise sauce. I'm complaining now, but it just wasn't to my taste buds. I just had some croissants instead. We ran out of toothpaste as well, so Patty had to go down to reception and they give you like a little cute toothbrush, toothpaste and a little dentist stick, that's what you give dogs. Little dental floss thing. So yeah, we're going to obviously pack up and leave. So I'm going to put on a teeny bit of makeup because I think on the way home before we go to see Noah, I'm so excited to see him. I feel like I've been away from him for like 10 years. I can't wait to see him. But before we do go home, we're going to Kildare Village because it's literally on the way. And I want to go to the White Company just to have a look and see do they have a lamp that I want, because you cannot order the lamp online. We might just see do they have the lamp, because I want 2 of them. So if they can even order it to Grafton Street or something, I don't know. I just want to see do they have it there and that I can just pick it up. And if not, then I'll just go to the one in Grafton Street. Looking really orange in this lighting. It's very annoying. Anyway, my makeup done. Did the same thing I did yesterday. BB cream, the whole usual, all the same products. I'm wearing this like really cute like crop top from Misguided. I'll show you a little bit better in the mirror. And then my jeans are from River Island ages ago, and I'm just wearing Cons because I didn't bring anything else with me. We're just after calling home just to see how Noah is. I think this is probably the best angle I'm going to be able to get. This is just the crop top from Misguided. I really like the shape of this. It's really nice and has kind of like bell sleeves. And then they're my jeans from River Island that I have for ages and ages. And then black Cons. Nothing really matches. I'm just going to wear a black leather jacket, but it seems to be kind of warm outside, so I think I might just wear this. And I have a cream blazer with me because the black jacket might be a bit much outside, because it does look really nice. So yeah, this is just the fit of the day. I think we're gonna go and check out now. It is what time?
7.
7?
It's 12.
It's 5 to 12, so I think we're gonna go check out now. Get on the road, go to Kildare Village quickly, and then get back and see Noah because I'm dying to see him. Totally needed last night. Like, it was the best night. I actually had like the best day and the best night I've had in a long time. Just super relaxed, and I just feel like a new person. It's amazing like what one day can do, but I just feel so refreshed after a good night's sleep and a relaxing day yesterday and getting up at our leisure. It was really nice. So we're just after ordering some crepes from Crepes and Coffee. Last time I was in Kildare Village with Paddy's mum, we got them and they were so good. So
I haven't had them yet, so I can't.
Well, they are really good because I've had them loads of times. No, they're nice. Well, not loads of times. I had them last year and they were really nice. So unless they've changed in the year. I'm gonna end today's vlog right now. We're heading back to Castleknock to go see Noah. He's currently
Via
playing
Diamond Furniture.
football. Via Diamond Furniture. He's currently playing football in the back garden. I got him a little present in Tommy Hilfiger. Yeah, so I will talk to all you guys in my next vlog. I love you. Bye bye.